A very good morning to you all, my dear students. Let's continue our chapter. Yesterday we have completed the topic economic crisis, and then we talked about how German Nazi party came into being and how Hitler was in his power. Today we will discuss about how Hitler recovered his economy and how Second World War was ended. Okay, let's talk about the economic recovery. Hitler assigned the responsibility of economic recovery to an economist, Hazelmer Sachat. He aimed at full production and full employment through a state funded work creation program. He launched a program in which full production and full employment was done. So, in foreign policy also, Hitler acquired quick success. He pulled Germany out of League of Nations in 1933, and in he reoccupied Rhineland in 1936 and integrated Austria and Germany in 1938. So this was the work done for to strengthen his economy, and he was of the opinion that resources to be accumulate through the expansion of the territory. मीन्स इकोनॉमिक पावर जो है इकोनॉमी को वो स्ट्रेंथ कैसे कर सकते हैं, वो अपने टेरिटरी को और एक्सपैंड करके. सो फॉर दिस he then in September 19 in the year 1938 he seized Germany, German speaking Sudetenland and from Czechoslovakia, and in September 1940 a three-party pact was signed between Germany and Italy. Germany, Italy and Japan, they were friends. They were one group, and we have already discussed about the allies and axis power. So Germany, Italy and Japan were the one group, and they were strengthening the Hitler's power and they were helping to expand his power in international level, and they were supporting him he installed a large part of the Europe. By the end of 1940 Hitler was at the pinnacle of his power. उसकी पावर जो है बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई थी. in 1940 Hitler attacked the Soviet Union in June 1941, and in this historic blunder Hitler exposed the German Western Front to British aerial bombing and the Eastern Front to the powerful Soviet armies. Means he exposed western part to British aerial and eastern part to Soviet armies, and the Germany was surrounded from all sides by the Allied power, and she was forced to surrender in 1945. So at last Germany was forced to surrender in 1945. And now we will talk about the ideas, the theory of the Nazis. What was his ideology? He was in his view, all men were not equal. There was a racial hierarchy. According to Nazi theory, the blue-eyed Nordic German Aryans were at the top, while the Jews were at the bottom. So Hitler borrowed this idea from the theory of Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. He borrowed this idea from Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. Both were the scientists. They explained the concept of evolution and natural selection. They gave the concept of the survival of the fittest. This idea was used by the Nazis to justify their imperial rule and war. The scientists gave their idea to explain their theory, but he used this idea in the life of the people. Hitler also used the idea of Lebensraum or living space. He believed that new territories had to be acquired for settlement. So to follow this policy, he physically eliminated of all the undesirable races like the Jewish. Then they killed the unfit German Aryans. They started eliminating the inferior races like the gypsies and the blacks. उसने एलिमिनेट करना स्टार्ट कर दिया जिप्सीज को, जो इन्फीरियर रेसेस थी, लाइक वो इन्फीरियर मान रहा था उन रेसेस को, जैसे जिप्सी थे, ब्लैक्स थे. इवन रशियन एंड पोल्स वर कंसिडर्ड inferior persons. Then he considered the Jews were undesirable and were given the lowest rank in the racial hierarchy. Hitler he also followed the total elimination policy from the Jewish. Children and students were taught to hate Jews. Aryan girls were not allowed to marry Jews. Orthodox Jews were stereotyped and marked. They were kept in the concentration camps. So these were the ideas of the Nazism of Hitler. So next these are the full detail in this page which I have explained about the gypsies, the Aryans and their stereotype. This is the full page. I explained you in the points. Please read it, and next part we will discuss in our next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.